हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल टेक्निकल नॉलेज विद इंजीनियर्स। मैं प्रशांत कुमार सिंह आज आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आया हूँ एनर्जी एंड इन्वायरमेंट के यूनिट 5 वेस्ट टू एनर्जी कन्वर्सन का एमसीक्यू वीडियो पार्ट 2। क्वेश्चन शुरू करने से पहले बता दूं कि अगर आपने पार्ट 1 नहीं देखा तो ज़रूर देखें। और एक बात, यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जामिनेशन में इस चैप्टर का वेटेज अच्छा खासा है और मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि पेपर में मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन इस तरह के ही रहेंगे। नाउ लेट्स गो विथ आवर प्रॉब्लम। सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which of the following statement is incorrect for plastic waste? Options are: it is used to make compost, it lasts for longer period of time, toxic fumes are reproduced when burnt, plastic can be recycled. The correct answer is it is used to make compost, because as we know that plastic is non-biodegradable substance. Now moving to question number 2. Blank is a process for separating components or species present in a liquid stream by using a membrane. The correct answer is dialysis. As we know that dialysis method के से ही हम membrane के जरिए separate करते हैं. Next moving to question. Physically immobilize the waste to prevent with leaching agent such as water is objective of. Options are sedimentation, filtration, encapsulation and centrifugation. The correct answer is encapsulation, बिकॉज हम जानते हैं कि इनकैप्सुलेशन में ही वाटर को लीचिंग एजेंट द्वारा इमोबिलाइज किया जाता है. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन एडजॉर्प्शन प्रोसेस एडजॉर्बेंट यूज इज एक्टिवेटेड कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, कॉपर या नॉन ऑफ दिस. द करेक्ट आंसर इज एक्टिवेटेड कार्बन. हम जानते हैं कि एक्टिवेटेड कार्बन, सिलिका जेल और चारकोल का यूज करके ही हम रिमेनिंग वेस्ट को क्लीन करते हैं. नाउ मूविंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Chemical method used to remove hazardous waste is are precipitation, oxidation and reduction, ion exchange, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Moving to question number 6. Discard computers, monitors and TV sets contain high percentage of dash in their cathode ray tube. The options are mercury, lead, chromium and copper. The correct answer is lead. As we know that in CRT the content of lead is 22%. Now moving to next question. Burning of solid waste is not recommended because options are: it is very costly, it require a lot of space, it require a modern technology, it cause several environmental issue. The correct answer is option number D. Now moving to question number 8. Organic matter present in sanitary landfill decomposes and generates. The options are methane, nitrogen, hydrogen, all of the above. The correct answer is methane. As we know that in LFG, methane approx 50% of we know that in LFG contain 50% of methane gas and rest 50% of carbon dioxide gas. So correct answer is methane. Moving to next question. The disposal waste contain. Options are solids, liquid, salaries, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Now question number 10. Which of the following method is better for solid waste problem? The options are recycling, landfilling, option C both A and B, and none of the above. The correct answer is recycling, because recycling is better than landfill as landfill से मीथेन एंड CO2 रिलीज होता है जो इन्वायरमेंट के लिए हानिकारक है. So recycling is the best process. Now question number 11. Which of the following gas is produced from landfilling? Natural gas, LPG, biogas, CNG. The correct answer is biogas. Question number 12. If waste are heated in presence of oxygen, combustion occur is known as. The answer is incineration. Now question number 13. Thermochemical process that involves heating of organic or fossil fuels. Fossil based on carbonaceous material, that is known as biomass at high temperature. The correct answer is gasification. Now question number 14. Here question number 14, 15, 16 are true and false. Let's see. Incineration of waste release harmful gas. Yes, it is true. Question number 15. Energy can be recovered from all types of waste. No, it is false. Question number 16. Disposal is the best solution of handling waste. No, this is also false. Moving to next question. Blank is a fuel gas mixture consisting primarily of hydrogen, carbon monoxide, and very often CO2, water vapor, as well as other hydrocarbon. The options are LPG, CNG, syngas, and biogas. The correct answer is syngas. As we know that syngas called synthesis gas, which is a mixture of hydrogen, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide. Moving to question number 18. Landfills are created for liquid waste. No, it is false. Now moving to question number 19. Thermal treatment of hazardous waste can destroy. Options are organic waste, option B solid waste, option C inorganic waste, option D sludge. The correct answer is inorganic waste. Now moving to question number 20. Pyrolysis is a process of combustion of waste at high temperature and in the presence of. Options are less oxygen, option B sufficient oxygen, option C no oxygen, option D nitrogen. The correct answer is less oxygen, because we know that in this process we need only less oxygen. Now moving to question number 21. Sanitary napkin incinerators is an example of. Options are rotary kiln incinerators, option B fluidized bed incinerators, option C single chambered liquid incinerators, option D eco-friendly incinerators. The correct answer is eco-friendly incinerators. Now question number 22. Which of the following waste is called as municipal solid waste? The options are wood pieces, option B plastic cans, option C food waste, option D all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Now question number 23. The biogas that originate from the decomposition of organic waste in a landfill is called as. Options are renewable natural gas, landfill gas, compressed natural gas, or none of the above. The correct answer is landfill gas. And we know that landfill से जो landfill gas निकलती है. Now question number 24. Syngas is a fuel gas mixture of. Options are ethane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, water vapor, and some hydrocarbon. Option B carbon dioxide, hydrogen, water vapor, some hydrocarbons. Option C carbon monoxide, hydrogen, some carbon dioxide, water vapors, and some hydrocarbons. And last option D is carbon monoxide, ethane, methane, hydrogen, and water vapor. As here we know that option C is correct, that is carbon monoxide, hydrogen, and some carbon dioxide, water vapors with some hydrocarbons contained in syngas. Moving to next question. Question number 25. The thermochemical process involving high temperature heating of organic or fossil waste carbonaceous material is known as. Options are incineration, pyrolysis, fractional distillation, and gasification. Now the correct answer is gasification, because this is a definition of gasification. Question number 26. Syngas can be utilized for. Options are fuel cell, electricity generation, electronic products, and A and B only. The correct answer is fuel cell and electric generation. So option D is correct. Question number 27. The gas produced by decomposition of organic matter in the sanitary landfill is. Options are methane, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, or all of the above. The correct answer is methane. As you know, the methane gas is released. Now question number 28. When incineration of hazardous waste is carried out, it releases harmful gas. No. Yes, this is true. Option A is correct. Moving to question number 29. E-waste management rules 2016 were amended on. Here are the following. Friends, this question is very important for university examination as well as for knowledge of general knowledge. So options are 21 March 2017, 22 March 2018, 22 March 2019, 20 March 2018. The correct answer is option number B, 22 March 2018. Moving to next question and last question. Recycling of e-waste can be undertaken only facilities authorized and registered with. Also this, friends, this question is also based on GKFS. Now options are मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इन्वायरमेंट, फॉरेस्ट एंड क्लाइमेट चेंज। ऑप्शन बी स्टेट पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड और पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल कमेटी। ऑप्शन सी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग। ऑप्शन डी एनी ऑफ द अबव। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर बी स्टेट पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड और पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड। ओके, थैंक यू। आई होप आपको ये सभी 30 क्वेश्चन याद हो गए होंगे। अगर आप वीडियो को एक और बार देखते हैं और तो ये आसानी से याद हो जाएंगे। और यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जामिनेशन में यहाँ से मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आते हैं। मैं आशा करता हूँ कि ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा। इफ़ एनी क्वेरीज और फीडबैक देन प्लीज़ पुट योर रिस्पॉन्स इन कमेंट बॉक्स एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज़ लाइक आवर वीडियो और सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू सो मच। जय हिंद।